Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dohm Speed Shop. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to swap out your cabin air filter on your 2015 Silverado. Let's check it out. Hey guys, welcome back. If it's the first time on my channel, welcome. On this episode, we're going to swap out the cabin air filter on my 2015 Silverado. Let's hop to it. Alright, so going up to the glove box here, you're going to pop the top open, drop the bottom. There's going to be a tether on this right hand side here. You can pop it with a flathead or something, push down or towards the seat. The tether will release. Release that before you do the next step, which is pushing in the sides of the glove box. The whole thing will drop down. You got two bolts here, which are the 7mm. Go through and zap these off. That's the one. That's the two. Then you go up top here, get these two T15 screws. Got one here and one here. And this should just drop down. So you pull that down. Got the panel down in here. Let me get you in here for a closer look. So you go in here. There's your panel that covers up your filter. What we're going to do, now pry here, over here. This whole thing's going to come off. Now let's see how easy that will actually come off, which shouldn't be terrible. Yeah, a little gentle persuasion, it comes right off. The other one's just kind of hard to get to. You can't really see it. Put it off just like that. Let's see how nasty this looks. That's a bad filter right there. Let's go to open up the new one. I'll show you what one should look like once properly maintained. You pay attention to it. So nice and so clean. Now there is a flow marked on these. I'm just going to plop it in and out of the proper flow. But yeah, just pay attention to how the old one came out usually. The filter we're using a CarQuest brand 91129 part number. Now let's go ahead and plop this in there. Slides right in. This guy just reattaches bottom top. That guy goes in there like that. Then you reinsert the top half of your glove box. Just like as we took apart. Put your two T15s in. And then you go ahead, reinsert your bottom 2 bolts. And then reattach your tether as you reinstall the top half here. And it clicks in just like that. Pulls it up, and you're all done. Alright guys, I hope this has helped. Switch out your filter on your 2015 to 18 Silverado, GMC, that whole generation pickup truck. This has been Nick from Dohm Speed Shop, and we'll see you next time.